Sienna. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So, let's see what's inside this package. So I'm going to carefully open it. And this is from Brenton. Thank you so much, Brenton. And Brenton got me this really cute green, I think it's like a top that you tie in the front, and you can wear it like with like a top underneath or a top like no top at all. You can just wear it as a top, but I'm gonna wear it with the top underneath. But I love these tops for some reason. I have one and they're just really nice, and they're just add on just something else to outfit, and it's a cute like olive green color, which I do not own yet. So yeah, I'm gonna go try this on, so I'll be right back. So this is the top, and this is how it looks. You can do it 3 different ways, which is really cool. So you can do it just basic down with like a top underneath, have these like strand things, I don't know how to explain it. Or you can do this, and you can tie it at the front in a little bow, or with this one you can actually wear it without a top underneath. But of course I'm going to wear a top. Looks really nice. And there's one more way, I think this one is probably my favorite way, is you wrap it around and you tie it at the back, and it basically looks like a shirt. So you can wear it however you want. Personally, I'd wear it this way, tie it. That's how it looks at the back. It's just a nice little bow. And the sleeves, of course, have ruffles, and I just really like the look of it. So thank you so much, Brenton. So once again, thank you so much, Brenton, and thank you all for watching my videos and supporting me. See you later.